Televidente bom menino na autorização de timeout. A hora de timeout por um grande norte junto com nós elite, long distance runner women, nos referindo a Lana Gobert, que nós vamos conversar hoje, que por certo vai participar de maratón de Paris, que também tem um lugar onde isso aqui não. Nós vamos timeout corto, que se Nicolas Bebeck, nós estamos conversando com Lana Gobert. Televidente, danke por estar conosco junto com Lana Robert. Lana, how are you?
Hello, hello, I'm well, thank you.
You're an orange color. I can see
Yes,
that.
right.
It's nice. Look. Tell us something more about your classification for the Paris 2024 marathon.
So this marathon is a special event that was created for the first time in the history of Olympic Games, where they give a chance to the general public to work hard and to earn their place to run on the same course where the professional runners will compete. So professional men will run in the morning, and the general public, it's about 40,000 people who earn the spot, will run in the evening, and we will run the same route that the professional athletes will be running, right, and competing for the Olympic gold.
How many? How many runners will be with you? 40,000?
I've read something about 40,000. Listen, this process to apply to classify for this particular event, it began in 2020.
Okay.
There was a special program. You had to register and compete in different events. Like almost every week there were events, and you had to collect points. And at some point, when you collected enough points based on your position in all these little events, you finally get your chance.
When did that happen for you?
Now I don't remember. Last year, I think. I remember. I just got the news that I was accepted for the Tokyo Marathon, and I was so overly excited. And a week later, I got another email, and I opened the email and I started jumping, and my family was around, and they said, "What happened?" And I was out of the. I was so happy. I'm like, I'm going to Olympic Games.
Wow, this will be something special for you then.
Of course, I've never been to the Olympic Games, and to be able to go and actually see it and actually take part, it's definitely something special.
Knowing you, Lana, you must be good prepared. You are always prepared. Let me put it that way. Let's take your health. What about your health, your condition you're in right now?
Right now, I feel better than I felt before. This year, we started a different approach. I didn't take too many marathons on. and I've concentrated on speed training, and I've took part in the local races, even in 5 kilometer races, like Aruba Bank, uh, just to check myself and to check my pace. And so far, the results are promising.
Wow.
The
That,
speed work is paying off. So, yeah.
oh, that is nice. Very nice to hear that about that. Look, um, what's your time you're aiming?
I want to break 3 hours for sure. With all this work, with all the running we do, with all the trainings, uh, and I know I'm capable of it. But also, you never know what happens on the race day. But we hope for the best, and I train to do my best, and we'll see. The
Yeah.
route, however, the route is pretty interesting. It's flat till 15k mark, and then it goes up a big hill.
Wow, wow. Televidente, nagkaroon sa
Yeah.
timeout. Nagkaroon sa timeout. Korti kasi hindi karoon si back no si Masco. Lana Gobert.
Welcome to Holland. Welcome to the country of the world's most famous cows. This is where your Frisian flag milk comes from. Taste our nature at its best. Frisian flag. Discover the goodness of milk from Holland.
Televidente, danke perché tenuto conosco con Lana Gobert, nos campeón de distancia largo femenino. Lana, your story is very inspiring. What message do you have for those who love running?
If you were lucky enough to start running and you gave yourself enough time to fall in love with it, you're already blessed. And my biggest message is to keep going, don't give up, because running can offer so much to your life. All the not just physically but mentally. It's a nice exercise to relax your mind and to take care of yourself, and just keep on going and set different goals. Run different distances, run with your friends, run with your family, and enjoy the process.
What is the toughest part?
The toughest part is show up every day, because even me, I don't want to run sometimes. Sometimes in the morning I want to go to sleep, or I want to eat a big cake, but I think no, I better go run. And that's a constant challenge. You always aim to take a step forward.
Well, that's nice. What is your next challenge?
Right now, the Paris.
I know, after Paris.
After Paris, it's in the works. In the works. We'll see. I will let you know first hand.
Okay. Well, I know Paris is a huge commitment you must have for that. Imagine Lana Gobert 250. Possible?
Possible. 100% possible.
Wow.
Yes.
Wow. That's the attitude. That's the attitude. You're preparing for that, right?
Yes. That's the that visualization is a very strong tool, and that's what I have on the back of my head. I want to see those numbers.
Wow, that is very great, Lana, because you have such a large experience with you. You're not running from yesterday. You're years running already, and Paris. Did you ever run in Paris?
No, I have not. Only to get a croissant in the morning.
Okay, understand. Look,
This time I
yeah,
will run with speed.
okay. Look, um, what is the most important thing you have to do preparing for Paris?
Um, to keep up with my training, not to let off, not to miss my trainings, but to actually follow the training plan, and do as as prescribed. We have the goal and we have a route towards it, and step by step, brick by brick, I'm aiming for it. And the most important, of course, to keep that delicate balance where you work hard but you stay injury free.
Look,
Injuries are always a scare, right?
yes, the games start in July, right? You have
Yes,
approximately one month, 1.5 months to do that. Are you
one and a
start?
half months.
Are you starting to break down, to go down with your preparation?
No, the plan is the plan, and it's still, we're still many training sessions to go, and one by one we tick it off.
Okay. Um, so we can see Lana running a lot these days in Aruba.
Yes, but I like to run in early in the morning, or sometimes actually later in the morning when it's harder, when it's hot, and
Okay.
that's it offers
Yes.
extra challenge.
You just told me in the beginning there will be some hills in the parcours of the Paris Marathon.
Yes, yes. After 15-kilometer mark, it will be. I'm not sure. I don't remember for sure, but it will be quite a lengthy hill. And so for that, I'm doing quite every week. I have a hill trains. I do hill repeats. When you run up and down the
Oh,
mountains.
that will
Uh-huh.
take a lot of you.
Yes, but that's what you need to feel good during the race. Imagine after an hour of running, and then you have to tackle that big hill, and then have another 20 kilometers to go. So yeah, you have to prepare yourself, not just mentally but physically too.
Oh, is somebody going with you? You have a trainer to go to going with you to the Paris Games?
Um, no, my coach will not. He will stay here. He has the whole team to take care of. But my family is traveling with me, so I'm looking forward, to see them at the start and then to run back to them at the finish. So I can. That's an extra motivation.
Wow, wow, wow. Televidente, prepara. Let me tell you this, Lana. We are very proud of you, what you're doing, because in our history of running, you're you're far ahead about all the best runners we had in the past, and we think you can be a big difference in Paris, especially going to Paris, because Paris has all the eyes of the sports world will be in Paris, and they will know you. Are you prepared for this?
I'm very much looking forward for it. Yes,
That is nice to
to
hear.
see
That's
all the stars of the athletics of every sport, really.
wow. That is
And actually to follow our team, right? Our Ruben team. We will have athletes there, and it will be very nice to meet them there and connect with the Ruben Olympic team.
oh, that is nice. Nice to hear. Nice to hear that. Nice to hear that. You can get it. You gotta get in touch with them for sure.
Yeah.
Televidente, Lana Gobert, indiscutivelmente nos mejor atleta de carrera, nos mejor atleta femenino de distancia largo de último año. El equipo record, poco tiempo, y la participando en misa cuánto maratón, ahora que la clasificada para llegar de París. Ojalá tu cosa veo con él, nos escucha, nos da un bonito resultado. Lana, all the best in Paris. We are, when you are running, when you feel some breeze in your back, and you just think about this. Aruba is blowing you faster in the direction. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much, Lana. All the best.